Everybody, my name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning how to make a triangle using Python. Okay? So the triangle starts. So today we're gonna print this kind of triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay? Or you could say pyramid. First, we enter our rows. So rows equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your rows. Okay? Then for I in range 1 to rows plus 1 means the value of I. So first value of I would be, so whatever our rows are, let's say we have 5 rows. So this would be now 1, 2, 5. Well, rows plus 1, so 5, that would be 6, right? Look, what I mean by 1 by 5, yes, I is 1 by 6. But remember, it's n value minus 1. So it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what this is. So the values of I would be 0. No, I mean, the values of I would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Okay, that's what. So, where am I? Okay. Okay, so that's for I. Okay? So as you can see here, the I will print the I will print these rows. So these rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next. Oh yeah, column. My bad. For K. We can do K. Or J. J in range 1. Oh, oopsies. 1 to rows minus I plus 1. Meaning, this means it's gonna print the spaces. Okay? It's just gonna this J function is gonna print the spaces. So 1 to rows, so 5 rows. So 5 minus each value of I. 5 minus 1, 4, and plus 1, that would be 5. So that's the spaces. And you can see here, this is for the first column, okay? Not first column, my bad. For the first row, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Okay? And if you want to print the spaces, that's going to be print, comma, end equals a double quotation mark, because we need to make it horizontal. Now, if that doesn't work, not if. So after the spaces, we have to print the stars, like 1 star, as you can see here, the 1 star, the 3, and so on and so on. So for K in range, 1 to 2 times I. So 1 to 2 times each value of I. So 1 to 2, right? Because the first value of I would be 1. So 2 times 1. So that's 1 to 1 basically. And that would be 1. So that's why this is for the first row. So for the first row, that's why it's printing 1 star. And by the way, don't get confused. This is going to do it for each values of the I. And then the second value, 1. Not 1, 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, right? That's basically what this is, 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3. That's why it's printing 3 stars. So we just go on and on. So print stars, comma, and equals to this. So because we need the stars to make it horizontal. Horizontal, right? Not vertical. Then we go outside of K, print space. Because after each star, we need to print a space. So if we run it, let's say 10. 6, line 6. Oopsies. My bad. Wrong spelling there. Oopsies. Oh my god. So see, if we have 5 rows, it's gonna print the 5 rows. So we have 5 rows, and there are 5 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? But usually on a like because this one also involves indexing. So usually indexing would start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's 5 rows because it's starting from 0, but there's 5 numbers anyways. Okay, so I could do many more. Here, let me just refresh my program. Oopsies. Mm. Here, I already had this copied, so we don't need to. Okay, let's go here. Let's do this. So that doesn't work. Okay, so that's what this is. Ah, let's just. Oopsies. And rows with, let's say rows are 10. 10 rows prints 10 rows. And look at the triangle, okay? So this is how it exactly works. Thank you everyone for listening to my video about how to make a triangle. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.